Look at the camera for. Wow, so tell me, is he nice? Yes, he's very nice. Now, since the two of you are good friends, Kobe would love to give you something special. You know what's that? No? Actually, it's a big, wet, juicy, fishy. Yes, you got it right. It's like this. So tell me, are you excited? Yes. Medyo nervous ako. Let's ask Kobe then. Hey Kobe, are you excited? Whoa, look at that. He is very excited. Okay, let me show you how it's like. All you have to do is stand where I am. Lean in and look. Wow. You give it a very gentle kiss onto your cheek. But since you're a specialist, you're not that excited. Let me try to freshen up his breath with some of the sea lion breath mint, okay? So I'll give him this very juicy squid. One more. With good, Kobe. Let me check your breath. Okay, and then hold for the camera. Now, sir. Wow, that was a juicy one. So, before you go, I would like to ask you a few questions. Did you like Kobe's skin? That's great. Now, if you were to rate his skin from the scale of 1 to 10, and 10 being the best kid that you've ever had, what's his score? 10? Wow, perfect score, Kobe. Good. But nervous. Well, anyway, that's perfect sense si Kobe. That does mean he's better than your special someone. Okay, perfect. He's better. No, though. He's not better. Really, you're not better. What can I say about Kobe? What's just about that, Kobe? You're not better than special someone. Uh-oh. What, Kobe? I think he's not happy. You see, our sea lions are perfectionists and they would like to be the best. Yeah. And for him to be the best, I think he has to kiss you again. Oh. Yes, but this time it has to be on the lips. So, Anne, would you like to give it a try? Mabilis to lips kayo ni Kobe. Yeah. Okay, Eric, mukhang hesitant si Anne. Why don't you ask Kobe anyway? I know you have a choice, Mama. It's either you